this a good surprise? Are you happy? So today we are going to surprise Aleyka by going to one of Prasanth's friends' homes. She has a lot of horses, so we're going to surprise Aleyka and taking her there because she loves horses.
Yeah, we haven't told her yet. She's been asking like, where we going, where we going? So she don't know. She has a bunch of horses there. Aleyka would love it.
Yeah, we don't think we're going to get to ride, but she would be so excited if she got to ride them. But
yeah, just to see them. And
do you know how many she has?
I think like 12 or 14.
Yeah.
And 2 ponies.
So she'll be so excited to see those. Here's our breakfast, Aleyka. What do you have?
I have 2 crusted milk, 1 egg, and 3 parts of an apple.
What's that you got?
Oh, and I also have tea.
And tea. And what's that you have?
Oatmeal and tea.
And I have cinnamon toast with strawberry cream cheese.
And tea.
And tea.
It's very nice outside. What's the temperature, kind of in the 50s maybe?
Probably higher than that.
60s.
68. It's gonna be 89 today.
Oh, it's 68 now? It feels
It's perfect.
It feels nice, yeah.
Doesn't it feel good?
Are you sure it's not going to turn 90 today?
Maybe close.
Because it's going to be 89 today.
Yeah. It might.
The egg's calling me. The egg's calling me.
Eat your egg.
Eat it,
I
baby.
don't want to get you sick.
Eat it. It's fine. You hear the birds? You don't hear all the birds singing? It's so pretty.
I hear this boop boop boop.
I hear it. We always have them here, isn't it? In the backyard.
How's the tea taste? Is it good?
Been for a long time.
You like the foam? Is it good? Oh. Aleyka hurt her knee last night. Or the other knee. Now she
Yeah.
you have 2 bad knees. Tell them what happened.
And I also have 2 on 1.
Yep, you got a bruise on that leg too.
All weekend
What
for
happened?
this leg.
Okay. What happened to your knee?
I was doing a headstand thing, and I flipped over and hit my knee on the floor. I think
And Archie wrapped it last night, and now you won't take the wrap off?
nope, because it's very sore.
Okay. Hopefully it'll be
like-
better.
It looks all messed up. I need to wrap it again.
Yep.
Driving
When I was driving by, I saw a few beautiful landscape.
driving by where?
Then I was working. You know, when I was driving by, I sent mommy a picture of that place, which a few weeks ago. I was like, this area is so beautiful. So Achi thought Achi would take you, and you can enjoy, and mommy can enjoy that view. So darling, which one is your favorite time of the year here?
Summer.
Summer, like this time? I think I love this time too because it's not too hot. It's a perfect weather, especially in the mornings.
I like the change of seasons. So end of spring, early summer, end of summer, early fall, because the fall here is too cold.
Yeah.
Their fall is too cold for me.
I
I like Mississippi fall,
Yeah.
but this weather, low
it's really.
low 70s, high 60s is perfect.
What about you, baby girl? What's your favorite time of the year?
Summer.
Why do you like summer?
So hot and swimming time.
Okay, what?
So hot and swimming
You
time.
like to swim?
That's the only thing that you like about
That's why I love summer.
summer.
To swim. Because every other season, the pools are closed.
Yeah.
And she's very friendly. As you can see, she talks a lot. Then there's Charlie. He's a miniature Shetland. He's over in the back. He's older. He's about 16 now.
Oh, wow.
That's little Charlie. And right now.
Back up, baby. Move.
Thank you. Let it out. And latch the door. Shut the door. It has a slide bolt, so you want to make sure it's lid and locked.
They just got back into this field, and because they haven't had grass, it's been muddy where they were. So this is special.
Okay. So she's eating grass. And if you look at her back, she's all full of mud and dirt. She's dirty. This way. Turn around, bud. Turn around. All right. Pivot. Back. Back.
Oh, nice.
Back. And stand. Good girl. Come and stand. Come and stand. Good girl. What I'm doing now is I'm putting her in cross stitch.
Hold on. Wait, she's gonna do one more. Is this a good surprise? Are you happy?
See, as you know, the first time when I came here, I know you would love it.
Ready? I go like this to her.
Gets all the loose hair off.
That gets all the dead
That's a
hair.
lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
She still has her. She still
And
has
it
her
gets
winter
all that
coat.
thick hair
Okay.
off.
Now that
She likes it.
she just she likes the attention.
Oh wow, that's
Sounds like she's
It's a lot
snoring.
of hair. Now this, as long as you're careful on the knees and the legs. All right. Circular motions, just like that. That's it. All right, that's all
you have to clean all
mud
this
and
stuff
gunk
out.
and manure. Now, that is,
Oh.
that's because she's got a little bit of thrush. It's from being out in the muck and the mud. All right, let me see if I can find the white line. Okay, this is, I know, you're annoyed.
Oh, come here, Aleyka. There's a bird here. Oh, in its nest. Oh,
You gotta really scrub it.
Mommy, look at this one. Look at this one.
They have a nest all over.
A lot of elbow grease.
Look at this one.
it's all the stables.
This is a net.
Oh, yeah. She needs a good brush too, huh? Oh, lost his eye. Yeah. Are you the one making all the noise?
What happened to her?
Yeah, she lost her eye. I don't know. We'll have to ask. She needs a good brush, huh? Are you the troublemaker?
He's black.
This is the one making all the noise. Pretty, shiny.
Yeah, it's very shiny.
Are there more down there?
No.
Is that it?
Oh wow.
Here in the US, some people, this is kind of like business and their passion. So if they like horses a lot, what they do is if they have a lot of land, what they do is they keep horses, the other people, those who don't have, you know,
The space or the
yeah,
land.
the space of the land. So they have, so that's what this place there does. Like they have, this is not their horses, they board them for long term. Like they have retired horses and they stay here until they die, I think, from what I understand. They have like a monthly, I think they charge us an amount for that, for boarding the horse. So that's kind of like a business for them, but they like animals too, to take care of them and stuff. So they have, I think this place where we are, like they have about like 14 horses here that they take care of. At one point, she said like they had like close to 30 horses, and that's a lot of work.
So when we got here, they said that they were bringing the horses in from outside to put them, I guess, in the stables because they've been out for the winter. And the horses got out, and so they had to wrangle all the horses. So they just gotten them back in when we got here, so we missed it.
And he's not happy because
yeah. This one's the troublemaker here.
No, she said it was Rosie.
Oh, it was Rosie.
So that's her?
Oh,
No.
no.
Which one?
So I think
She's all the way over there.
this one's name is Sergeant, so they have their names on their
Is
stalls.
that a black widow?
So this one's been making a lot of noise because he wants back
it's
out.
Rosie. She's all the way back
he
there.
wants to be out. Oh, it's the further one down.
Yeah.
So she's been rolling in the sawdust. She's dirty, huh? She's dirty.
Itty bitty, fluffy, fluffy, fluffy.
It's okay, she's not gonna step on you very well. You can stay close to her.
Give me an apple.
Oh, you gonna feed the horse?
No, I'm hungry.
Go, you eating like... Okay, so Maggie is eating the apples we bought for the horses. He's stealing.
I'm hungry.
We cut up some apples for the horses and Maggie is eating those apples. Go. How does it taste, darling?
Very good.
So Aleyka is walking the horses. She love it. It's a pony.
She said this one's a Welsh pony, I think.
Welsh pony.
Welsh pony.
What's that mean though, Welsh?
It's just a different type.
Kind, yeah.
Get up real close so she knows you're there. Yeah, and she's using after the daddy's here. Hey,
Oh,
you might not
we messed it up.
Keep it tight, baby.
She saw the apple.
butterfly. You have it. That's it.
Good job. Hold your hand flat. She just sneezed all over me and I missed it. I'm wet.
Is your fan good enough, honey? Huh? I gotta open that back door. I see it's shut, didn't it? It's shut. Now, that one down there, he bites, so you
Okay.
Yeah, that's what, yeah.
that's what they say.
Don't
Yeah.
pet that one.
He
So
really
pretty.
bites hard. You really can't trust him. Oh, we got
Your
a fawn.
friend's gonna
You
get
see the
fawn.
fawn going in there with the mom? Oh, it's just too. I just saw it. It's a little one.
Oh.
Well, mom's there, but there's
Past
a
the
fawn
tree.
beside him.
Oh.
I just saw her jumping through the weeds.
Oh, I see the. Oh,
You can't get
there's a
through
deer
there.
out there now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Right
I
to the
see it.
fence
I
line.
see
But there's
it.
a baby right beside her. But she's trying to go out that way and she can't.
Ready for another one?
Yeah, she's moving. The baby.
There she goes.
There's the baby.
Oh.
It's a tiny one. It's a tiny one. Oh, okay. They're gonna sit. They're gonna stay under the tree, I think. Yeah. He'll get it. Come on, pick it up.
Made me drop it.
Pick it up. Uh-oh, he's gonna get it.
Here you go,
Too
darling.
late. Too slow.
Who got it?
No.
Macduff got it.
Brody. Brody. Yeah. Macduff. Yeah, look at him. He's foaming at the mouth there. Brody, come on. Brody. Come on, Brody. You can do it. Come on, Brody. Come on. It's okay. You can get it. She said, I know this lady don't smell like me. I don't know her. I don't know that lady. But come get it anyway. It's okay. Come get it. Come on. Come on. He's funny. People,
That's funny.
he just, they've got very big, long memories.
So this is Macduff, and he's 34 years old. And was her stallion.
Yeah. So he has a baby and a grandbaby here.
Yeah.
Can I have a piece?
She's not going to. Can I have one?
Gonna get all that.
Yeah, she'll come get it. Just wait, they're coming now. I threw an apple at them, so now they're coming.
Actually, you have to have a straight hand. Straight hand.
Yeah,
She doesn't
you gotta
know
get
this.
in the fence.
Oh, no. Come on.
Yep, it's fine. You can put it in, baby. Just put your hand in, baby. They can't get their head through the gate.
Good job.
There you go. Give the black one one.
Here you go. Put that in. There you go.
He
Give him
dropped
the
it.
rest of the apple after you just dropped it.
Underneath. That's it. And dump it in the girl.
There you go.
There you go.
Get away from the wall a little bit so you can
That's
reach.
it.
Come this way, baby.
Stand the other side. And just walk over and just dump it in. There we go. You can miss you if it is. Can you smell it yet? That stinky smell? That's pee. That's what it smells like. It's even worse than that. Okay, we got that. And you just open underneath it, just like you did with the wet stuff. That's it. You got it. Get it up there. Okay, you got 2 more pounds to pick up. It's not gonna move. I know, you have to try it.
You got it.
I'm never going to be able to get back.
You need help.
You need help with that?
I
You have
just
to get up under it.
Yeah. Watch. Stay on this side so the horse doesn't get you.
Yeah. He's one that's the biter. Yeah, I know. What? All the way in. Into the end.
There you go.
That wasn't quite what I meant.
Oh, it wasn't.
All the way down that end.
Oh.
Oh.
what?
You just get on it and just walk over there.
Because that means later I gotta get out here and move stuff around. Maybe standing in poop.
All right, guys. So we had a great day here. Like at the, this is kind of like a farm, the horse farm. So Aggie really get to enjoy it. What do you think, darling?
Yeah, it was really nice. When we were talking to her, she says she has 111 acres.
Land.
Yeah, and she has 12 horses. 6 of them are hers, and then the other 6 she boards for other people. And the other people are actually out here today bringing their horses in and walking them down the street. So it's nice to see.
This is a good thing to do. Like if you have a lot of land and like animals, I think it's really fun for them.
It's beautiful out here. And Aleyka, did you like it? Did you have fun? Aleyka loves horses, so
she had a good day. And she wanted to stay here longer.
Forever.
Yeah, forever. I told her
I told the owner she wanted a job. Are you gonna work here? She said there's lots to do.
Can I stay for a little longer?
We'll stay for a little bit longer, and then we got to go get some lunch.
All right, guys.
Tell them bye, Aleyka.
Bye, pina colada.
See you guys later. She don't want to even say it.
Bye.
Bye-bye.